Being single ain't tough, see it's cute at the start, Instagram pictures and stuff, but infatuation tends to fade, better believe she'll call your bluff, cause when it hits that point she knows, you walk in, and out she goes, arguing over bullshit while you out with your bros, love is a physical sport, so stay on your toes, jealousy's a bad seed, but like a planet grows, no longer fully invested, you're pulling away and it shows, it all fades to black like a dying rose, while you recording all day, shit that's the life I chose, in the same room but you're still miles away, it's a definite silence when you have nothing to